Hi students, one of the coolest summer songs to learn is a song by the Kinks, Sunny Afternoon. And you may notice that I have added the chords here from the original piece of music I sent you. I added these just now. And it starts with an A minor, which we have looked at briefly. And then a G7th, and the G7th is the third diagram, first finger. It's like a C chord, and you extend it, everything outward. Let me blow up my image here to show you. So you have the A minor is this, and then you go to a G7th. By the way, the strum is down, down, up, down, down, up. The tax man's taking all my dough. Now the G7th is first finger on the first fret of the first string. Second finger skips 3 strings to the second fret of the A, and then the ring finger is on the third fret of the E. Here's a C. It's as if you took the C, moved the first finger outward, and moved the other 2 fingers outward. Now this also has an E7th. Now an E major, we know, is first finger and then second and third fingers on the second fret of the A and D string. But if we release the ring finger, we just have 2 fingers, just like that, first fingers, and it's kind of an open sound. On a sunny afternoon, and I can't sail my yacht, it's taking everything I've got. Let's look at the music before I get too, yeah, here we go. So this was a song, we have A7th also, which is save me, save me, save me. A7th, if you look at that, it's like an A with the middle finger, the second finger raised. Let me blow up myself here. Yeah, so here's an A. The very first chord I sent your direction, but with the middle finger up, it's just two strings being depressed, the B string and the D string, and it's save me, save me, save me, and let me look at the music here for that section. So the beginning is it's a very funny song. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, sing. The tax man's taken all my dough and left me in my stately home, lazing on a sunny afternoon, and I can't sail my yacht. He's taken everything I've got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Bum, bum, bum. Save me, save More to follow. More to be continued. Have fun.